Look at that snow outside. A lot of snow today. Most half of the car was covered by the snow. This is the second storm here. Woo! Oh wow. It looks like nearly 6 inches here. Oh, wow, the snow. OMG. Look at that, guys. I will try to go here. How many inches today? Oh wow, look my hands, guys. So this is nearly 6 inches. Nearly six inches. Wow. Ooh. And it was really cold, a little windy today. Look at the wood there, the trees. Oh, very windy. Look at the cars here, guys. Wow, nearly half was covered by the snow. Oh my gosh, very cold. Oh wow, look at that. But the road was clear because last night the salt truck was here and I saw him passing in this road. Wow, still snowing today. We call it here a snowstorm. This is my first time or my second time to look a snowstorm, but today was very high, up to 6 inches. You see, earlier I tried to measure with my hands and it looks like 6 inches. The mail truck passing by here. OMG, very cold.